Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video showing how I attach a motorcycle engine, in this case a Gixxer 1000, to my water brake dyno. It's pretty simple, but we'll just start with the CV shaft right here. So I got this from AutoZone for, I want to say it was like 65 or 70 bucks. I did shorten it, that's why it looks so short right here, but it's from like a Ford Mercure, I believe. But yeah, I shortened it just for my own application. You don't have to do that, but then put a nice beefy weld sleeve over the top of it. On the end that goes to the brake. So here's the CV housing right here. I machined this adapter, which if anyone needs anything machined, let me know. I do own a CNC machine shop. Anyways, this adapter right here just goes into the key of the input shaft of the water brake. On the other end that attaches to the engine itself, you can see I made this coupler right here. And it's basically just a drive sprocket that had the teeth turned down. And then I created this separate adapter and I pressed the sprocket into the adapter, so it's a press fit. And then I welded it on both sides. And it simply just goes onto the output shaft of the engine like that. And then you just use the standard nut that's used for the drive sprockets on these engines. Once that is on, you can see that these holes are threaded in there. And then you can just take the CV axle, slide it up to it, and then put some fasteners that thread into those holes, and you're done. And of course there's a guard that goes on top of this whole thing. But yeah, that's how I couple the motorcycle engines to the water brake dyno here. So let me know if you have any questions or if you've got a better way of doing this. It's worked for me. I did this about a year ago and I haven't had any problems since. Things to keep in mind is there is some play when you couple the CV housing right here to this adapter, just because the holes in the CV housing are kind of large. So it's a good idea to take some sort of measurement device and sweep it right here to make sure that it's concentric with this adapter. Otherwise you have a bunch of run out and probably a whole bunch of vibration. So just something to keep in mind there. And it's a good idea to do the same thing on this end as well. So here it is, all bolted up. Looks pretty good. One thing I didn't mention that I should is that you can see there's no damping between the engine and the brake. Realistically, there should be some sort of damping, so if you're building your own dyno, definitely give that some thought. With this engine, it seems to be fine. They do have internal damping in the flywheels on the Gixxer 1000. It probably isn't as much as I would like, but you know, it's not nothing. Regardless, having some sort of damping, going through the axle before it gets into the brake is never a bad idea. So something else to kind of keep in mind. Anyways, that's about it. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and if you need anything machined, I can do all this if there's a demand for it. So let me know.